Everyone goes to the CBD or South Melbourne market for food, but today we're doing something different. We're spending a whole day eating in Glenferrie, one of Melbourne's most underrated foodie streets. Locals love it and we're about to see why. Hey guys, welcome back. Greetings from Glenferrie. We are actually in the suburbs of Melbourne, but it's only 10 to 15 minutes away
by this train.
Yes. And the reason why we're here is because we wanted to see what it felt like to spend a day like a local in one of these suburban areas. And we hear that Glenferrie Road is a place for foodies like us. We're going to be meeting up with a local later who's going to be taking us around her town. So really looking forward to this. Obviously going to be eating lots of food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and maybe something in between. So let's go.
We just came out from the Glenferrie station. Here is a Glenferrie Road, and this is like shopping street. There's a cathedral near here.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and then right next to it is the National Bank of Australia. So we have been told that this Glenferrie Road is like the shopping street or the commercial street of Hawthorn, which is the name of this area. Here's a nice little grocery that has like mandarin oranges for $3 for a tray, much cheaper than when we bought at the other place. There's a really nice mix of stores in this area. Anyway, I'm really excited now to explore this area.
Me too,
Wow.
me too.
All right, guys, so we are at 4 Kilo Fish, and this is our friend's recommendation. It's really, really nice, and it looks like a pretty popular cafe. Yeah, it's like full house in the morning. Well, I should say like 11 o'clock. So Stephanie is a local, and she has a practice here, right?
That's right. Yeah, so my practice is called Glenferrie Orthodontics. I'm a specialist orthodontist, so I do teeth straightening.
Is it located on Glenferrie Road?
Yes, it is. Yeah. So it's actually opposite my high school, which is quite interesting. I didn't end up actually having my orthodontic treatment there, but my sister did.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So the morning should be started with coffee. This is a good coffee, a nice acidity. And I heard this coffee is imported from China. I did not know China growing coffee bean. Since I came to Melbourne, every time I am amazed, the coffee is really good here.
Is this just like a normal Reuben?
I believe so. Yes, I'll cut it so that you guys can try it as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. Wow, I love how toasted it is.
Yeah, very
And
crunchy.
crispy.
Yeah. Tram is really smoky. The crunchy texture from the chips, really nice.
All right, I'm gonna start with my matcha. I do love my matcha latte in the morning. And look how beautiful it is, and look at the bowl. That's actually really good. You can taste the earthiness of the matcha, the slight bitterness, which I love. You know, I think the worst thing is when you don't taste the matcha, it's just the color. But this one, you can really taste it. So, thumbs up on this one. Oh, the pastrami is wonderful. It's smoky, super flavorful. I love the charred areas, and the combination of the other ingredients really combine to make it delicious. There's also potato chips in here, so it kind of adds like a texture. And I love that sauce. Not sure what it is. And I believe there's some cheese as well. So I got the Yunnan sando, which is basically a sandwich with a Yunnan style beef in it. And I got it with the seeded bread for an extra $1, but that looks really good. And once again, the bread is toasted perfectly. Oh, it's very cheesy. It has some Chinese spices, familiar Chinese spices that I love. Oh, and there's definitely a slight kick, not too spicy, so it's perfect. Very complex, but in a good way. Beefy. I really like it a lot.
Cajun shakshuka, combination of the Chinese food and Middle Eastern shakshuka. It's interesting. Lots of tomato, peeled tomato, and sausage maybe, and cheese. It's a combination. The sourness and the spices works really nice. It's fermented tomato, so there's a sourness, but it's at the same time umami. The spice gives an accent, very creamy because of this egg yolk combine everything. Very good combination. I love this.
That was an amazing breakfast. So we're just walking around so we can eat more. This is a downtown grocery, and this place specializes in Asian groceries from like China, Korea, Japan. They have everything here. They have like tofu here. A lot of varieties of tofu actually, like soft tofu, silken Japanese tofu. I've never seen this brand in Japan, so must be made here. Soybean milk. I don't know. I wonder. What is this? Oh, it's a rice cooking wine. Okay. Let's see how much are the mushrooms here. $5.99. So that's $5.99 for this package. Definitely more expensive than Japan. Oh, we're back home. There's Japanese ice cream. Pinot. Actually, we don't even see the smile banana anymore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, that's interesting.
Gets sent here.
Super cup. 99 yen in Japan.
Now we are visiting her orthodontist.
I'd love you to come and have a look. It's a converted heritage style building. So yeah, so this is our reception area. Just two receptionists usually, but it's lunchtime now. A treatment room on the left. We have another room. So we've got three rooms to see patients in.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's
Yeah.
like 3 rooms in total.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very spacious.
Yeah.
Very spacious. And once again, I do like the view of the brick wall. It's nice.
Our practice is right onto the main strip called Glenferrie Road. So many cafes and restaurants and cool things to see around this area. And it's also quite close to the city, so you just hop on with the train or the tram and come on down and say hi.
So we can buy End Bagels. Looks like a food truck. I love bagels since I went to New York. This one is number 7. Smoked salmon, cream cheese, and dill pepper. It's beautiful, isn't it? And quite heavy. Wow, it's dense. And on the surface, lots of poppy seeds. Beautiful. Inside, tomato. Also here, you can see onion. Itadakimasu. I love cream cheese taste. Of course, salmon is fresh and very tasty. And I want to say, this dill works really nice. Good accent and flavor combination is perfect. Toasted very well. Very good bagel.
So I got the number 12, which is cream cheese and raspberry with a matcha cream cheese. And it's kind of messy looking, but also it looks delicious at the same time. Okay.
All right,
Itadakimasu. Pretty nice.
The matcha flavour is shining through. And then the raspberry jam's actually a really good touch.
The bagel does have a really nice texture. Look, it's matcha bagel. Ooh. It's green.
It sounds sweet when
it does.
Yeah, but actually it's not.
Yeah. What is your go-to like when you come here?
Oh, I would just go for a standard kind of cream cheese bagel.
Yeah.
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 It's really heavy on the cream cheese, but it's delicious.
I see. You like to keep it simple, right?
Yes. Yeah. But this I'm actually quite surprised how good it is.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
You discovered something new. All right, guys. So we just bought some potato chips from this place, Glenferrie Center. We're going to be doing some local stuff now because we need to make more space in our stomach for more food. Okay, we are walking around the residential area. We are doing local things today in this town of Hawthorn. And so far, I'm really having a relaxing time. Oh, this is nice. It's autumn all over again. I know it's normal for our friends here in Melbourne, but in Japan, it's summertime. You see the trees are changing color. You see leaves on the ground like this. The air is crisp and cool. Walking
What's
along
a
this,
beautiful neighborhood.
It's so peaceful. So we're on Burke Road right now, and the reason why we're here is because we're just gonna check out this Japanese grocery store called Suzuran. Here we are, Japanese food trading, Suzuran.
Oh, here.
So here we are inside Suzuran. It's really nice. It's just the right size, and they have a variety of things that you can buy. Instant ramen on sale now. Like specialty. Inani udon. It's a very famous Japanese udon. They have kinako, which is not too bad actually. That's kinako from Kyoto. That's regular kinako. You even got Japanese granola. Oh, but you got proper somen noodles here.
This is my opinion. This is a flavor similar to Vegemite. Vegemite. Ah, yeah, true.
It's the Japanese sake area. Frozen Miyazaki A5 Wagyu steak.
So at Suzuran, we bought small bites of sushi, hosomaki, tuna, maguro, and inari boshinichi. Itadakimasu. Oh, very good sushi. I'm happy that I can eat good sushi here in Melbourne.
Inari sushi, my favorite. And by the way, yes, not only is this a Japanese supermarket, but they do have, like Satoshi says, a sushi place where they make sushi fresh for you. And a lot of the customers I noticed are Japanese. And I talked to the lady and she said they've been in business for 45 years.
Oh my god, it's like Japan. So if you like Inari sushi, I guess it's worth coming here.
We're gonna go to dinner now to a restaurant called Vaporetto, and they serve Venetian cuisine.
Venetian cuisine.
Yeah, it's supposed to be one of the best food in town.
Oh.
So kind of looking forward to it.
Nice.
Venetian cuisine, doesn't that sound interesting?
I've never eaten Venetian cuisine.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Hello. Hi. Thank you. This restaurant is so exciting. Vaporetto specializes in Venetian cuisine. And first off, I have to say, it's a super popular restaurant. It is packed. So luckily, we made reservations today. We're with our friends today, so this is going to be a really fun meal. I'm going to be enjoying lots of food. We got a whole bunch of appetizers, but before that, I think I need a drink, a sip of my Chianti because we had a long day. Cheers. All right, let's eat.
We ordered 4 appetizers. First one, bruschetta. 2 types of cheese and mushrooms on top. Itadakimasu. The cheese combination and mushroom umami is perfectly matches. The baguette is soft, but it has a light crispiness.
So I'm gonna start off with the arancino. These are rice croquettes, I believe. So we got 2 here on this plate. Look at that, that looks beautiful. Ooh, oh my gosh. It is so soft, the outside is crispy. Oh my God, very creamy. The rice is almost like risotto. Outside is crispy, so much umami, super flavorful, delicious. Goes perfect with my wine.
So next, verdure, warm vegetables. This is asparagus and the broccoli, the garlic on top, and the sauce, it's a chili sauce. Flavorful, tender. This sauce gives a kick. Not only spicy, what a nice combination of flavors.
Next we have the caprese, and we love caprese. So this is tomato. Oh, there's a green tomato here as well. Some cheese with some balsamico vinegar with a little bit of basil here. Oh, look at that piece. Beautiful. That's so fresh. I'm not kidding, it's really fresh. Oishii. すごい oishii. Our main dishes have arrived. We ordered 4 different things. We're all sharing. First one we're going to try is a ravioli de zutta. And this is a pumpkin ravioli with sage butter sauce. And that looks so amazing. Oh, wow. Really nice and sweet pumpkin filling. Buttery, creamy. It's like a sweeter sauce. Maybe a little bit like a balsamico flavor as well. Really nice. So this is gnocchi al ragu d'agnello. Oh wow, that's really good texture. Nice, squishy. It's like a beef ragu, I think. Nice and cheesy as well. But mostly I get the flavor of this really beautiful beef ragu. Oh, that's good. Everything we've been having today is amazing.
This one is a kind of a seafood ravioli. Ravioli della Laguna. Very beautiful shrimp taste with tomato. Nice. And texture, it's like kind of like mashed potato. It's combined with a scallop and shrimp taste so nicely. And it's a squid ink pasta. It's a linguine busara. Wow, this flavor is my first time. It's refreshing. I can eat whole mountain of this pasta. muscles, bouncy texture is nice. Flavor of tomato, given an acidity.
It's like bouillabaisse, but in a pasta version. You get all the flavor of the clam and the mussel and the shrimp. I'm so happy that we're trying Venetian food, something that we don't usually eat in Tokyo. This is fantastic. That was one of the best Italian food I've ever had in my life.
Yes.
No joke.
No joke.
Yeah.
It's truly amazing.
Yeah. Once again, thank you, Stephanie, for the meal. That was like the best choice. Thank you. So we're gonna have dessert.
Dessert.
Yes,
Oh,
because I hear that they have an amazing ice cream shop.
amazing ice cream shop.
Yes, with really unique flavors. So
Unique?
Yeah. So we've got to finish with dessert, right?
Okay.
Dessert time, guys. So we're at Cody Ice Creamery, and this place is again really happening. It's buzzing with people, super popular. Their ice creams here are so unique, like flavors like black sesame, dasai sucking. I got the matcha castella, and I also got the miso banana. So this is a matcha castella. That is the pieces of castella cake in there.
Oh, real castella cake.
Oh yeah, real castella cake.
Wow. It's my kind of thing.
Oh my god, so good. The matcha flavor is really good.
Do you taste castella?
I do taste the castella. I got the texture of castella.
Oh, I see.
Okay. And this one, this is my favorite. This is the miso banana.
Who invented the combination
I
of
don't know.
miso and banana?
You can taste the miso and the banana, but it tastes like caramel, like burnt caramel, salted burnt caramel. It's amazing. Oh my god. We have to come back here because there's so many interesting flavors. So many.
This one is milky peko-chan. Oh, smooth and soft. Milky candy. Yes, it's really like that. That's very interesting. And this one, a good friend recommendation. This is Hokkaido cheesecake. I can see some kind of bits. Maybe it's a cheesecake. Milky, at the same time it's a cheesy taste. Oh,
Try a bite of my matcha Hokkaido. My matcha castella. Since you like castella so much.
matcha castella. I see.
Yeah.
I see.
Try the miso banana too. Is that interesting? Right? See, that one is like
It's like a very ripe banana.
yeah, but like has like umami.
And umami like caramel.
Oh yeah, I
Oh
love
yeah,
that.
caramel. Like a caramel.
Like salted caramel.
Salted caramel. Interesting.
So we had such a blast checking this place at Glenferrie Road. Thank you so much, Stephanie, for taking us around. We really had a good time. We had so much good food, and we definitely recommend you visiting Glenferrie. It's only a 15-minute train ride from the center of the city, and so worth visiting here. So much good food.
Yes.
I gotta say, this is definitely a hidden gem for foodies.
We always recommend to visit the suburb of Tokyo. The Glenferrie is a really nice place. I amazed.
Thank you. This is
Thank you so much. See you in the next one.
well.